The Galaxy S25 Ultra hasn't even hit stores yet, but it's already starting to feel a little outdated. Why? Because Samsung is still sticking with that punch-hole camera design, a technology that first appeared back in 2018 and made its way to the S series in 2019. And let's be real, 6 years is a lifetime in the smartphone world. Samsung clearly knows this, which is why they're already testing a fresh design for the Galaxy S26 Ultra. According to Tipster Crow, there's a prototype floating around that ditches the camera hole entirely. That can only mean one thing. Samsung might finally be ready to bring an under-display camera to its flagship S series. Now, if you've been following Samsung's foldables, you know UDC isn't new. The Galaxy Z Fold 3 was the first to introduce this tech, which essentially hides the camera beneath the screen by lowering the pixel density in that area, letting in more light while keeping the display uninterrupted. Sounds awesome in theory, right? Well, not so fast. As cool as UDC is, it's still not quite as sharp as a traditional punch-hole camera. That said, Samsung has been refining the tech, and the gap between UDC and regular front-facing cameras is getting smaller. Just look at the Galaxy Z Fold 6. But here's the catch. That phone has 5 cameras, including a secondary 10-megapixel front shooter, so a slightly weaker UDC isn't a deal-breaker. For the Galaxy S26 Ultra, though, that's a different story. A flagship like this needs top-tier selfie quality, and unless Samsung pulls off some major improvements, a UDC might not be the best move. That's probably why they're still in the testing phase. No guarantees it'll make the final cut. Beyond the camera, there are other exciting rumors about the S26 Ultra, like battery stacking technology and a brighter, more efficient display. Of course, we're still a year away from launch, so take everything with a grain of salt. But hey, at least Samsung is cooking up some big upgrades, and that's always a good sign. So, what do you think? Is under-display camera tech ready for the Galaxy S26 Ultra, or should Samsung stick with what works? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and I'll catch you in the next one. Until then, take care.